everyone, Jennifer here. After my quick video the other day, I'm so excited to show you more about the Home Depot man-eating plant. I absolutely love this guy. The very second I saw him during the Home Depot Halloween preview, I knew he would have to join Audrey too in the magic flower shop scene in my haunt, The Haunting of Storybook Hollow. It took a bit of drama, a lot of persistence, and a whole lot of waiting, but he's finally mine. So in this video, I'm going to tell you my first impressions, show you a quick assembly overview, and a few more clips of him in action. Also, my cat Papa will vie for some screen time here and there. So here he is. First off, I love his mildly sinister facial expression. There's also some great detail in the sculpt and a nice dry brush type paint effect going on, but I'll definitely be adding some more paint detail myself. I was a little surprised by the thin vacuum form type plastic of his lower jaw. It's much like an 80s Halloween mess, but given how much movement his jaw has, I understand that weight was a big factor, so that's understandable. I'll definitely be painting the inside of that jaw though to make it look a bit better. At first I wasn't so sure about the printed fabric leaves, but once he was all assembled, the leaves actually looked really great. Okay, so the printed fabric leaves are great, but I have to admit I'm not a fan of the fabric printed stem. The leafy garland it came with helps, but I think I'll probably be doing some work here. It also came with these cool kind of green cheeseclothy strips that look really nice hanging from the leaves. And now it's time for me to be pathetic and make my poor husband assemble this guy. Hold on. Do you see those scissors? Those are my brand new sewing scissors. I just got them. They even say fabric only right on them. But since he's letting me be a slacker and he's building this thing for me, I guess I'll let it slide.
Seen your neighbor. Pardon me, my manners. No, I haven't seen your cat either. Ah, there she is. I'm getting very sleepy. This always happens after I've had such a large meal. Lucky for you, I'm not hungry anymore because you look so tasty. I could swallow you in one bite.
So there he is. Like I said before, I absolutely love this guy. I am so happy that I was able to get him, and I can't wait to add him to our Magic Flower shop this Halloween. Thank you for watching, and I hope you'll come back soon.